जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 7th chapter ज्ञान विज्ञान योगमु 26th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that Arjuna, in this entire universe, there is no soul, there is no entity that I do not know. In this entire universe, in the past, whatever the entities were existing, I do know all of them. In this entire universe, at present, whatever the entities that are existing, I do know each and every one of those entities. Arjuna, in this entire universe, in future, whatever the entities are going to be existing, I do know in detail about each and every entity. So there is no any entity that I do not know, may it be past, present or future, or may it be in any world and in this entire universe. But Arjuna, out of all these entities, no one is realizing me as supreme and no one is surrendering to me. Like that, Sri Krishna Paramatma expressing how much he is craving to see if anyone approaches him, if anyone surrenders to him, so that he can relieve that soul from the cycle of birth and death and give him eternal bliss. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Vedaham samatitani vartamanani cha Arjuna bhavishyani cha bhutani mantu veda na kaschana. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service, keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam. Sukamukhadamrutadravasanyutam. Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam. Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam. Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava. Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu. Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, now Maitreya responding to Vidura, Maitreya answering all questions of Vidura like this. O Vidura, this Prakriti is insentient. That is why Prakriti by itself cannot bring any grief, cannot bring any pleasure. Only thing is, because Jiva, the soul, based upon his previous karma, when he gets associated with body which is made out of Prakriti, then with the Paramapurusha's sankalpam, Srimannarayana's sankalpam, that soul goes through either pleasure or pain. O Vidura, Srimannarayana, Paramapurusha, has a peculiar power. With that divine power, he would not get attached with Prakriti, he would not be tied with karma, and no contamination attached to him, he would never get tainted with any kind of dosham. And the Jiva, Atma, only because of his karma, they will go through either pleasure or pain, but it's not because of the Prakriti. And now you also asked why Paramatma is not going through any changes when Paramatma lives as an Antaryami in Prakriti and Jiva. When Jiva is going through pleasure, why Paramatma is not going through pleasure? When Jiva is going through pain, why Paramatma is not going through pain? You asked that question. Yes. As and how, when there are changes in the body, soul is not affected by those changes. Soul is beyond that body. So also Paramatma, as an Antaryami, he is a soul to all the Atmas and to this entire Prakriti. That means the entire collection of all the souls and Prakriti is like body to Srimannarayana. That is why, as and how, when there are changes in body, soul is not affected. So also when there are changes in this Prakriti and Jiva, Paramatma is not affected. Though Prakriti and Jiva has Paramatma within them as an Antaryami, whatever the changes occurs in Prakriti, Jiva is not affected with that. Whatever the Jiva going through pain and pleasure, Paramatma is not affected. Also Vidura, this Jiva, because of karma, he goes through the several bodies. when he is in the body, whatever happens to body, he feels that it is happening to him. To that amount of attachment he gets with the body. Like this, Maitreya answering to Vidura for all of his questions. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 7th chapter 26th sloka. Vedaham samatitani vartamanani cha Arjuna bhavishyani cha bhutani mantu veda na kaschana. Vedaham samatitani vartamanani cha Arjuna bhavishyani cha bhutani mantu veda na kaschana. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.